In this video, we are going to see how to use Indent Tool. So we can create like this cavity. So let's start. So initially we required one surface. For that we'll go to surface design, take extrude surface command, and we'll select one plane on that we want to create a surface. Here I'm taking midpoint line and create one line. We'll define some distance of 150. Exit. Now we'll extrude this as a surface. So we'll make it mid plane and we'll define total depth as 150 and do OK. So I want to hide this line. We'll select this line and hide the line. Now we are going to select this face, sketch on it. I'm making one circle here. We'll define the diameter of the circle, 65 something. Now I'm going to define some lines this side also. We'll make this line and this line equal to each other. We'll trim the middle section and we'll make a line with center, vertical line, and also we'll just specify where it's located from the center. Exit. So I created my path. Now I want to create a profile, so directly I go to feature swap boss command. Here we have circular profile option. We directly take this. We'll select the profile and we'll specify the diameter 10. Do OK. Now we'll go to the indent command. So here let me change the color of this part so it will look little different. So let's take copper color. Now I want to make a cut at that sheet area. So if I hide this, you can see it's a solid right now. So if you want to create a cut, we'll go to the command indent, we'll search in the command, we'll set here command search and we'll search the command indent. We'll take the command. Now here we'll select the target body. This is my target body and this is my tool. And we want to cut the surface from there. We'll use cut surface, this cut option. We'll select the cut option and do OK. Now if we hide the sweep, we can see the cut has been produced here. Now next, if you don't want to cut it, we want to make a cavity there, we'll untick this cut and just do OK. Now if we hide the sweep, we can see there one cavity will be generated. Okay, this is not get hided. Let's hide it again. So now we can see here back side of this, the cavity has been generated. So right now it have a 10 diameter space. If you want to increase this depth, we can edit this indent and we can increase the value here. So if I putting value 2, it's become 2 more thickness will be added here. Do OK. Like that you can increase. If you want to increase more, we can add it more like 5. We can see how the thickness has been increased. Now if I want to change the color of this area, we can take appearance option. From there we will select face and what color we want to add, we select that area where we want to add some color. And we'll do OK. So this is how we can create an indent feature in SolidWorks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video.